Hi and welcome to my channel. In this video we'll look at a new command. The command is cp-conf-ca. This command changes the settings of the internal certificate authority. So it is used to manage the internal certificate authority settings on a security management server. The ICA, as it stands for, is responsible for issuing certificates for various components within the checkpoint environment. So for example, if we press enter here, if we look here, we can initialize the internal certificate authority or set the name of the internal certificate authority. So for example, we can test, so we can host name. So our host name is my checkpoint firewall, and our domain name is my domain .local. So we can use cp-conf-ca fqdn, so fully qualified domain name, and use our so my checkpoint firewall dot my domain dot local. This way we can create a new certificate with this fully qualified domain name. Wait a bit. So now our fully qualified domain name is this. So the existing certificates for configured objects are not revoked. The existing ICA certificate is not changed. So we can use the same command to initialize the certificate authority. So we can just cp-conf-ca init, press enter here. We can see here that the certificate authority initialization ended successfully. So that was a short clip about this command. So thank you for watching and see you next time.